river by
O3 Gallery is part of the Oxford Castle complex, but it's a commercial art gallery. So we feature work of local Oxfordshire artists that are selling their work in this space. And we have about an exhibition every month which features typically one artist. Sometimes there are group shows, and at the moment we have an exhibition that's part of Art Weeks, which is an Oxfordshire-wide art festival.
We want to show something that's going to be relevant to all of Oxfordshire. So we've got some entries for an art wine competition where artists were asked to design a label for a wine bottle, and this is the one that we've chosen, which is by Christine O'Sullivan. So we've got her winning entry as well as 30 other selected entries to the exhibition. And then alongside that we've also got a selection of work by an artist called Jane Duff.
There was an art competition going on at the Oxford Castle, and any artist could come and draw, sketch, paint, photograph the Oxford Castle.
After Art Weeks will be a lady called Sarah Howard, who's got a photographic exhibition. It's called In My View, and they're stunning sort of landscapes, local photography as well as some travel photography that she's taken in places like Italy. So they'll be quite stunning in the space.
There will be about 400 exhibitions throughout Oxfordshire this May, and entry is free to all of them. This is indeed a unique opportunity to meet artists, talk about their work, and even try your hand and be creative. This is Katrina reporting from O3 Gallery for Brooks TV.